Hello everyone!
Nandito kami sa Pastilyan.
Yeah. And the meals are very affordable and anong ba? Kung masarap ba or what?
Sulit.
So,
Sulit.
ano hindi masarap? Pag sulit lang sinabi mo.
Masarap daw sabi dito. Kumain na kami nito nila Ara. Then masarap siya kasi gutom kami.
Ngayon, are you gutom?
Sakto lang. Ito na yung Hanes review.
Okay, bye-bye guys. We're gonna wait for our food.
Wow.
I-zoom mo to.
Parang may itsura to. I-edit.
I-zoom mo to. Walang clean as you go.
Tingnan siya ko. Tignan mo. Play go sa. Sino yun? Tagapat yun.
So guys, magkakamay pala. So walang spoon and fork like Eureka said. Ito po may plastic. And then magkakamay. O sa'yo to. So magkakamay tayo pre. Bye bye! Ratings natin.
Kasi ba ito lang labas? 10 out of 10.
Ako naman.
Bulit na basag.
So guys, this is my first time eating here and I can say that it is one of the best restaurants I've been to and it's a solid 10 out of 10 for me. So dito na po nagtatapos yung vlog namin ni Yuri.
So, paalam na.
Say bye na, say bye. Bye guys!